So this is Chelsea from the future, and I just want to say I'm really sorry about the buzzing noise that you can hear. But yeah, there's a default with my microphone, and it's only for the intro and the outro. But yeah, really sorry about that. I've got it sorted now, so I hope you still stick with this video and enjoy. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, and occasional bonus uploads in between. So today, I don't know if you can tell by the thumbnail, by the title, by the look, we are reviewing the new Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. So this was highly requested when I said what I got for Christmas and when I done my palette collection. A lot of people have been asking for more Jeffree Star reviews, which is a tough subject, but my boyfriend bought me this for Christmas. But this is the look that I created in today's video. Very smoky, glittery, shimmery goodness, if I say so myself. Dive straight into a little bit about the product, and then we shall go into this eye look. So if you're from the UK like me, then this palette is sold on Beauty Bay, and it does retail for £52, so quite pricey compared with other palettes range from between 40 odd quid to 50 odd pounds. They are quite spenny, but you do get a lot for your money because I feel like the formula of all of his palettes are outstanding, especially since he started doing like Jawbreaker and what's the red one? The original Blood one. I haven't actually got that palette, but since he brought out those palettes, his formula has improved so much. So this is the newest release. So this is the Blood Money palette. I'm pretty sure it's just Poison Ivy that is a pressed pigment, which is that shadow there. So this palette is literally so luxurious. I absolutely love the feel of it. I think this is like the best design that I've seen him do. So you've got like the cropped skin outer case, and then you've got like gold detailing and gold corners as well with detailing on, and then his clasp, he always does a clasp at the moment with these sort of like big bulkier palettes, and they bring a bit of luxury to his product, especially considering of how much you actually pay for them. It is pretty much like a collector's item rather than your bog standard eyeshadow palette. So if you are an avid collector, then I definitely recommend collecting his palette. Opening it up, you've got 18 green toned shades inspired by the colours of American dollar notes. The palette is packed with matte, metallic and pressed pigment shades that help you create your most iconic looks yet. Made with JSC's signature formula, the shades are guaranteed to be nothing but highly pigmented and effortlessly blendable. So all of his products are vegan and cruelty free. And I'm not going to lie to you, at first, when I first saw this release, I wasn't that keen on it. I don't usually gravitate that much towards like bright green eyeshadows, but I love a khaki olive tones. And seeing this in person, there are a lot of olive tones and khakis in here as well, which I do actually love, and that's what I've gone for a little bit today with like the smokiness. So absolutely love this. I am going to show you some swatches on screen now, and can I just say that these are so pigmented, and yeah, the colour payoff is absolutely amazing, which I don't expect anything less from Jeffree Star, but yeah, I do feel like you do get what you pay for when you pay for his product. Enough of me rambling. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, I'm just going to use the P. Louise base Room Shade 2 and just plonk it onto my eyelids and blend it out with my Spectrum brush. And then I'm just going to go into that first shade, Persuasion, and I'm just going to plonk that onto my outer corner and just create a V shape, really winging it out. And then I'm just going to go in with the Make It Rain shade, and then I'm just going to apply that next to the Persuasion shade on my lid and then just start to blend it out. But at first I just want to pack on the shade with a Look Fantastic brush. And then I'm just using a small Sigma brush, and again with that same shade, just going along that edge and just making sure that it's all going to blend into it. And then I'm going to go in with Private Island, which is a beautiful like nudie brown shade. And I'm just going to use my Made by Mitchell brush and just pop that on top and then just help blend it out. And I really want to smoke it out as well. So a lot of blending will be going on right now. And then going back in with the Persuasion shade, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer edge because I feel like after all that blending we lost the shade a little bit. So yeah, just want to now re-intensify all those colours with the same brushes and just make sure that it's all blended out seamlessly. Next, I'm just going to take a larger spectrum brush and back in with that private island, and I'm just going to really blow this out to my temples. I really love doing this, it's so much quicker and just ensures that it's all blended properly. But yeah, I just love doing this technique at the moment, and I love blowing it out to my temples. And I'm just going to use a clean, fluffy spectrum brush and just make sure that it is all blended seamless. And then I'm just going to mix these two beautiful shimmers. So we've got Money Heist and CEO. So I'm just going to apply them onto the lid with my finger. And as you can see, they are applied beautifully. So first of all, going in with Money Heist, and then CEO was on the inner corner of my lid. And as you can see, I was very impressed with those. Love that. And then I'm going to go in with Divine Intervention, which was a really nice duochrome, and I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner and underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going back into Persuasion and again just deepen up the outer corners. And then taking my Illamasqua liquid eyeliner, my Unicorn Cosmetic lashes, and my Morphe coloured pencil in Toasty. And then going back in with the shades that we used above, so Persuasion, just to do the lower lash line and just deepen it up a bit. And then into Self-Made, which is a really beautiful khaki shade, and again just going to run that along my lower lash line. And then to blend that all out, I'm just going to go back into Make It Rain and just diffuse it all. And then back into Private Island again, back in with my Made by Mitchell brush and just really blend it out. And then just running my iconic London mascara, which I absolutely love by the way, and just to make those bottom lashes slightly chunkier. And now lips. So we're going to go in with the Morphe coloured lip liner in Spiffy, just to line my lips. And then we're going to use the really beautiful Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Mannequin, and then that's what I will fill my lips in. But I'm going to use it with a brush just to make sure that it's all blended nicely. And there we have it. This is the finished look. Oh, I just absolutely love it. I was really feeling myself here. But yeah, I just thought the shadows looked really beautiful. So this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know down below. I am actually so in love with this palette. Literally, I'm so glad Connor brought me it for Christmas now, because I wasn't going to get it. I'm not going to lie, I wasn't going to get it. I'm so glad I've got this in my collection. This is my go-to greeny, goldy palette. I'm absolutely in love with those shimmers. They are so beautiful. It looks like I've got pigment on my eye. Do you know what I mean? Because they're just so reflective. I didn't use any glitter glue. I didn't put down another base. I literally just used my finger and just dabbed it on, as you could see in the video, and oh my god, just look. And like the duochrome under the brow bone, because obviously in the pan it looks white but it's not. God, I am so in love with this. Everyone needs to go out and buy it. This is my favourite Jeffree style palette. I obviously own quite a few of his palettes, and this by far is my favourite. Formula is outstanding. I barely touched the pan, and yet I had full pigment payoff. They blended beautifully together, didn't have any problems, and this was such a quick look to do. Like literally it took about 20 minutes to do. Oh god, guys, I'm just in love. I'm actually in love. I just want to take this off and do another look. I think I might actually do that, so stay tuned, because I am going to do another look with this palette, because I feel like you can do so much with it, because it's got obviously like your grungy look, which I feel like this is a little bit grungy today, but like these tones I'm here for, and like basically this section here I'm absolutely here for, but I feel like I want to do something with like these lime shades here. Guys, I absolutely love this palette. I absolutely love it. So yeah, stay tuned, because there will be another look with this palette. But yeah, just let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this look down below, and if this palette is on your wish list. Have you bought it? Have you tried it? What do you think? Because I'm keen to know. Obviously Jeffree's been cancelled quite a lot, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. There are a lot of palette reviews coming, because like I said, got a lot of palettes to get through, and I have actually ordered some more palettes. I know I said I wasn't going to, because it's going to be a low buy, but all these new releases, I do get sucked in. Expect a lot of palette reviews, and if there's anything else that you want me to review, please sound off down below and I'll see what I can do. So yeah, I hope you stay safe, and I hopefully see you in the next video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!